In Trinidad, Sawine, as it's called, or vermicelli, can be had as a snack, refreshment, or meal, hot or cold. It's usually made for special occasions like Eid and garnished with glazed cherries, slivered almonds, and or raisins. If you want to see how I make it, keep watching. Konnichiwa. See ya. Привет. Hey, welcome. I'm making some sawine today. The list of ingredients are in the description box below. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. I'm happy for you to join in. Now let's get cooking. Heat a pot on medium flame. Add the butter and melt. Add the sawine or vermicelli and toast until it begins to change color from white to brown. Keep stirring around the pot so as to prevent burning. Manage the flame if you need to. When it's a lovely brown color, add in the water and continue stirring for about 2 minutes. Keep the water to a boil to cook the sawine. Add the full cream milk, evaporated milk, and stir in the condensed milk. Add the sugar and cinnamon powder. Here I had some leftover sugar syrup with cherries stored in a glass jar from when I made my addictive cherry burfi. You can check out that video right here. So I'm using that syrup in place of the sugar. Add your garnishes. You can use whole or chopped glazed cherries. I'm using them whole. There were some chopped pieces in the syrup as well. Plus I added slivered almonds. Reduce the flame and stir for a minute. Turn off the flame and serve. If you wait too long to serve, the sawine may absorb the liquid and become thick or dried out. So just stir in about a cup or two of water to bring it back to a soupy consistency. Leftovers can be cooled and stored in an airtight container in the fridge. You can enjoy it hot or cold. Eid is just around the corner, so I would like to wish all my Muslim viewers, friends, and relatives Eid Mubarak. May your fasting bear divine fruits. Enjoy and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.